Hi there. Since you decided to click into this video, I assume you're either a current or past user of Dynamics GP. If you're not, no worries. While we'll make a lot of references to Dynamics GP throughout, who doesn't love a good origin story? It all started back before Dynamics GP was even called Dynamics GP. Our friends at Great Plains Software came out with one of the greatest mid-market ERP features ever. Even today, there are ERP systems without anything similar. That feature? SmartList, of course. With SmartList, end users were able to query their data, building both ad hoc and reusable reports without requiring any help from the IT department. Now, like any other first, SmartList had a few limitations. Primarily, you were limited to the base list that Great Plains developers had built, and you could only have up to 4 filters on your query, and it could be quite slow sometimes to export your data to Excel and get it out to users who didn't have access to Dynamics GP. Despite these limitations, users grew to love SmartList so much that it became a central part of their workday. Time went by and technology changed. Eventually, eOne Solutions came up with a couple of products that not only resolved the issues in SmartList, but added a number of features as well. First came SmartList Builder. SmartList Builder gave users the ability to create their own SmartList from scratch using any data inside of their Dynamics GP databases, or they could modify the existing SmartList. All of the coolest SmartList features, such as the ability to have default and additional fields and go-tos, were available to be easily implemented, and users could quickly add calculated fields in one of the industry's first no-code development platforms. Next came SmartView. SmartView was the SmartList interface that users have been waiting for. Not only did SmartView get rid of the 4-filter limitation and speed up the export to Excel, it also added cool new features like the ability to group and sort data right on the screen and add and remove columns with fewer clicks. SmartView could even access SmartList from outside of Dynamics GP. Well, time went by and technology changed. SmartList Builder became so popular that at one point Microsoft incorporated it right into the product. What very few people knew, though, was that SmartList Builder and SmartView had secretly wed in a Braveheart-style forest wedding. Time continued by and technology changed. Eventually, SmartView and SmartList Builder begat an idea which grew to be a full-fledged product in its own right. That scion of two great products came to be known as Popdock. Not only did Popdock take on all of the greatest features of its parents, it blew them out of the water and then added a bunch of its own. Like its parent SmartList Builder, Popdock allows users to combine several pieces of data into a custom list. However, with more than 50 out-of-the-box connectors and a configurable REST connection, that data could come from anywhere, not only the SQL Server database where the Dynamics GP lives. Like SmartList Builder, users can add go-tos to their lists, allowing them to drill around their data. But Popdock broke go-tos into two features known as details and actions. Details allow users to add extra context-sensitive elements of data to any list so that users always have the information they need. Actions allow users to interact with the source system, whatever it is, even allowing users to change the data. Like SmartView, Popdock allows users to sort, group, and filter their data on the fly. And when it comes to exporting to Excel, Popdock is even faster than SmartView ever was. And where SmartView allowed users to see Dynamics GP data either in GP or outside GP using the SmartView desktop app, Popdock allows users to see their data literally anywhere. Want to see your Dynamics GP data here inside CRM? Go ahead and click on Refresh. Or would you like to see Dynamics CRM data inside Dynamics GP? Look no further than the additional window. Or get yourself an entire SmartList type experience where you can not only drill around and see Dynamics GP windows, but you can also see data from other systems. As time has gone by and technology has changed, users have found their data spread out all over the place. With the proliferation of single-purpose web-based applications being used in day-to-day business, it can be really hard to get your data where you need it. You, the Dynamics GP user, has grown accustomed to being able to query your Dynamics GP data in real time whenever you want to. With Popdock, you can take that same concept to every application you use and roll it out to every user in your business, no matter what system they work in. If you'd like to learn more about Popdock, there are a number of videos available on the eOne Solutions YouTube channel. I recommend you start with presenting Popdock, which gives a high-level summary of Popdock's key features. If you're done with videos and you're ready to dig in yourself, please visit popdock.com to start your free trial.